Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Bella's Kitchen. For today's video, we are going to be making Nigeria meat pie. So guys, for these ingredients, we are going to be needing flour, as you can see, and we are going to add our baking powder. And we are going to add our sugar. We are going to add a pinch of salt. So guys, we are going to mix this together. We are just going to mix everything together, and we are going to add our butter. We are going to add our butter. This is 250 grams. You can use more than that if you wish. I use everything from my 250 grams, and we are going to mix this together. So guys, I decided to add more butter. And we are still going to mix everything together. So guys, did you see that? This is how it looks. It's going to be like this after everything. And guys, we are going to add our eggs. So I decided to use 2 pieces of eggs. You can use as much as you want, depending on the quantity of your flour. And we are going to mix together thoroughly. So guys, we are going to add a little bit of milk. And we are going to mix it together. So guys, this is what we got. We are going to keep this in the oven for like an hour, and we are going to make our meat. Did you see how it looks? It's going to look exactly like this. So guys, we are going to add vegetable oil in our saucepan. So guys, we are going to add our chopped onions. We are going to give it a stir. So guys, we are going to add our grounded meat. I'm going to be using 1000 grams of meat. And we are going to give this a good stir. We are going to mix it very well. So guys, at this stage we are going to add our seasoning cubes, salt and pepper. We are still going to give it a stir, thoroughly mix. So guys, we are going to add our chopped carrot and chopped potato, already washed. And we are going to give it a stir. So guys, we are going to add our flour and water. And we are going to give it a stir. So guys, we are going to leave this to cook until thoroughly done. So guys, we are going to check on our meat. Did you see that, guys? Our meat is ready. Our meat is ready, and we are going to allow this to cool, very cool. And we are going to start making our meat pie after this meat has already been cooled down. And we are going to be back, guys. So guys, we are going to put our dough in the wall surface, and we are going to add our flour, and we are going to start cutting our size, the size that we need. So guys, we are going to make this. We are going to cut it. You can cut it any size you want, any size you prefer, any size you love. So guys, this is my size, and we are going to roll it a little to get the size we are looking for. And we are going to add our meat. This is our meat, and we are going to add some into our dough. And we are going to roll it. Don't mind the oil, is because the meat have a lot of oil. So guys, we are going to transfer this into our pan. Did you see that, guys? And we are going to roll it a little bit. add our meat. And we are going to roll it. So guys, we are going to make the same process. We are going to repeat it. After everything, we are going to be back. So guys, did you see that our meat pie is ready, and we are going to dress it so that we can put it in oven. You know, meat pie, you can do all kind of shape you want. You can do different type of shape, the ones you love. So guys, we are going to put this in the oven, and we are going to be back. We have to put this in the oven for like 20 to 30 minutes, and we are going to be back, guys. So guys, we are going to check on our meat pie and see how well it has done. Oh, so guys, if you are still watching this video at this stage, thank you so much guys for watching this beautiful video. Did you see how beautiful the meat pie looks? If you are new to my YouTube, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to your girls YouTube channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button. In case I upload new video, you will be the first to receive my video. Thank you guys. So we are going to transfer this meat pie into our bowl or plate. As you can see, the meat pie is ready and is looking so beautiful, guys. And we are going to be back. So guys, here is our meat pie. Thank you so much for watching this video. Before I forgot, guys, I add egg and milk. I use it to brush this meat pie off camera. I totally forgot, guys. Do and add yours when making this beautiful and yummy meat pie. So guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to make this meat pie. Thank you. This is the end of our video. See you next time. Bye.